Pancakes are the ultimate brunch food. They're delicious and indulgent and global. This is my world of pancakes, starting with buttermilk. To go with those sweet buttermilk pancakes, I want a cozy drink, a maple chai au lait. And these tea bags just need to sit and steep a little. What does buttermilk do for your pancakes? It makes them super soft and tender. And once you use buttermilk, you won't go back to the regular ones. Baking powder plus baking soda makes these griddle cakes light and airy. A little sugar adds the sweetness I'm looking for. Look at that consistency. This batter is ready. And there's only one way to cook a pancake, and that's in some butter. While the butter melts up, I'm gonna pour myself a cup of that maple chai au lait. And the finishing touch to this is some maple syrup. And I can put maple syrup in just about anything, and my husband will love it. And it's so important to make some time for you. So choose your favorite cup when you're making this. This one's mine. Little fresh nutmeg over top. Time to try this. It's so soothing. It's warm, it's spicy, and I love that little sweetness from the maple syrup. All right, it's pancake time. That butter is sizzling up. I know it's ready for me. Once bubbles have formed and begin to pop, it's time to flip. Now that is the perfect stack of pancakes. Pretty hot. And you need to give some respect to your pancake with some butter. I love some raspberries over top. They're tart and sweet and look at that color. And of course, what goes better with pancakes than a little maple syrup? Dig in. And there's something about a stack of 3. It's just so special. I love how fluffy and soft they are. That buttermilk adds that texture and that slight saltiness. But everything is sweetened up with that maple syrup and that tart little bite from the raspberries.